This is your basic screen for operation. When you go to program, you're going to get this. You need to put in the maximum cut length plus 2.5 inches to give you that correct number. Then you put in the number of pieces. I want 2. The first cut position, 60 inches. Spacing between cuts, 120 inches. Number of ultrasonic cuts you want, there would be 2. And we're running pattern number 3, which is an 18-inch circle. And we're coming 30 inches off of what we call 0. We will now run the program. Stops at 60 inches, cuts the first C. Feeds to 15 feet. Cuts the second C. Now, although it says 22 feet 5 inches, the 2.47 inches is the distance from the ultrasonic cut. So that piece will be 20 feet and a quarter inches, basically.